Lots of lots in 60 seconds or less. We're in Union City, Pennsylvania. Starting us off on the end, we have a Bluebird 3800. Notice the air horn and fender turn signals. Then we have a row of Visions. They all have chrome rims on them, which looks great. We have another Bluebird International, a Bluebird Freightliner, and a couple Microbirds, a Bluebird All-American, two more Bluebird Freightliners, another Vision, another 3800, and a TC2000 right in front of a Chevy school van. And of course, I can't forget the little Dodge van that is a sad excuse for a school bus. That's a decent little lot there. I love seeing the chrome rims on some of the newer buses and the air horns on some of the older buses. And I'm willing to bet that they have some pretty sharp buses now. Anyways, make sure that you subscribe for more school bus related content so that you can see other buses with chrome rims on them.